The main telephone number is 877-967-5313. 877-967-5313. From there, we give you all the details.
Yes, and you don't need to be a big company to call you, right? You start very small.
We give the opportunity. We have what we call service that feeds your budget.
Okay.
Don't hesitate to call us.
Right.
You need 1 day service, to 1 week, temporary, long term. We are here to work within your budget. You don't have to be largest corporation to pay me $100 an hour. Feel free to call us. We always find a way to satisfy your need based on the budget you have available.
Right.
We also have a free service to support non-profit organization event to protect the guests and give the meaningful opportunity to people that are looking for jobs. So we pretty much involve in the community. Do what we have to do to help everyone. Service requests, people that are looking for jobs. We are here for everyone.
And one thing I wanted to say about Augustin, the church that I go to actually benefited from his company's services. He actually offered, I believe, free services to the church I go to, Christ Citadel International Church. And it was a big gesture that was highly appreciated. So you see, this gentleman definitely does give back to the community. So we at CNE highly encourage you to support his business. You won't be disappointed. He has professional security guards. They always show up on time. They're always very professional. And once again, don't forget to call his business, and the name of the business is
World Star Protective Services.
World Star Protective Services. Thank you.
And the 24-hour number anytime is 877-967-5313.
Thank you. We're here now with the lady of the hour, the one who actually sponsored this very exciting event. Her name is Judy. I will give you the opportunity to know her more in a few minutes, but I would like to just add quickly, you know, Judy is the type of woman, she's very quiet, but ask anybody around and they'll tell you she does a lot for the African community. She helps guide their businesses, and well, I won't talk too much. I'll give her the opportunity to tell us everything. Judy?
Well, thank you for the opportunity that you're giving me now to say something here. And I am the sponsor for this event, for this mixer at this time, because I feel it's the holidays, and I feel there are a lot of Africans who can come here, like I say always, to circulate our dollar amongst ourselves. And also it's a great motivation for all of us to come and get together and exchange ideas and our businesses. Not only I'm an advocate for Pan-Africanism, but also I have a great interest in oneness and one community.
Very important.
Yes.
Now, about your business, Judy, what do you do?
My business is, I've been in the insurance industry for 20 years, and I work with many brokers. And one of the brokers that I work with is licensed to do business in 10 different states. It's called Western Alliance. The main office is in Canoga Park, and we do all kind of insurance from here to Arizona to the East Coast and to the West Coast.
Right. Now, a lot of the business owners here have told me, you know, that Judy has helped guide them through the years for their own business. So I am here to tell you today, if you need information on any type of insurance, she's the lady to call. What number can they contact you at?
Okay, they can contact me at 310-272-0549. And also, me given this opportunity, I'd like to introduce another non-profit organization that I work with. It's called the Ethiopian Conservation Council, which is really guiding our youth, which is the second generation here in America, who are being lost. So we're trying to teach them about their culture, identity, so on and so forth, that they don't get lost and become a statistic in this society.
Wow, that is very impressive. Very impressive. Is there a website for that yet?
There is a website. It's called Ethiopian Conservation Council.org.
Okay, thank you. And you mentioned that you were from Ethiopia. Any last words to the family back home in Hamaric?
Yes. ለተወደዳችሁ ዘመዶቻችን እና ጓደኞቻችን መቼም የኛ አመት በዓልና ገና የሚመጣው በጃንዋሪ 7 ነው። እስከዛው እንኳን ለብርሃነ ልደቱ አደረሳችሁ እንላለን።
Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. And thank you again for sponsoring this event. Thank you. I'm still here at the African Business Mixer, again organized by the Ethiopian American Chamber of Commerce, co-sponsored by Salam Travel. I came across one of my very good friends, Patricia from Nigeria. She's going to tell us a few words why she feels it's important for her to be here and, of course, invite everybody to come. Right, Patricia?
Yeah. Thank you very much. Well, I'm here this night just to mingle, to meet some other businessmen and businesswomen, just to make friends.
Have you made friends?
Oh yeah, a lot of them.
Yes. So they should come, right? Mm-hmm. If you're thinking of opening a business, if you have a business, this is the place to come.
Exactly. Yes.
And you're from Nigeria?
Yes.
You're Igbo?
Yeah.
She's going to speak in Igbo right now.
Oh my God.
Go ahead. If you can't do it, I'll help you. Let's go.
Okay. Kunumel. Well, Kedu means how are you?
Thank you.
Dalun everybody.
Dalun everybody. Thank you, Patricia.
Thank you very much.
Okay. We are meeting a lot of interesting people today. This is Brother Osar, who's African American but has traveled to Africa, and he mentioned earlier that he has been to Egypt. And I just wanted him to tell us how it was for him to go to Africa for the very first time.
Well, it was an awesome experience. The pinnacle of my trip was when I went down to Aswan and got to meet the Nubian brothers and sisters, and just to see a reflection of my family members, people that look like me, look like my sisters, look like my cousins, my uncles, and just to see them running the culture and controlling the culture, it just was a powerful experience. So,
but before you went, how did you imagine Africa to be?
I didn't.
Was it everything you wanted? Was it less? Was it more?
Well, I did a lot of reading before going, and I just wanted to see if what I was reading was matching up to what I would experience when I was there, and it didn't even match up. It wasn't even a tenth of what I actually saw and what I witnessed and what I was a part of when I was there.
Wow.
And it was a great experience.
What was it?
It was too much more. It was just way beyond what
we will have to invite you to come back to CNE, sit down, and just talk about your experience, because I know that there are a lot of African American people who just have a vision of Africa, which is totally different, but you've been there and you've been here, so maybe you can sit down and just tell us about everything, because right now I'm really getting excited just to know more about it, but I know you have to go.
Yes.
Thank you again.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
And thank you.
And what do you do actually? You were a student at USC.
I was a student at USC. I'm on my way going to business school. I work for the city of Los Angeles.
Okay.
As well as I'm working with PATA, the Pan-African Technical Association, on a nonprofit program called the PASS program, where we work with inner city youth or youth in developing areas, giving them tutoring services as well as activities to get them motivated to follow through in careers in math and science.
Wow. You are a very inspirational brother, and I'm glad I bumped into you today.
Oh, well, thank you,
Nice to see you
too.
soon. Now, this beautiful young lady standing here next to me is one of the guests here at the African Business Mixer. Now, you cannot walk by and not notice her. She's gorgeous, and she actually has worked a lot in the entertainment industry. Well, let me let her tell you more about what she does and who she is.
Well, thank you. I'm really pleased to be here this evening with the African Mixer. It's such a wonderful time during the holidays to have something like this. And I'm a guest of Gudai Dempsey.
Right, Judy, the sponsor of the event.
And it's very nice tonight. My name is Cynthia Busby. I have Busby Promotions, and that's at busbypromotions@aol.com. You could also find me at Cynthia Busby at Facebook.